Ho, ho, ho!
Brett, what are you doing dressed like that?
It is Christmas in July at Montavilla Sewing Centers.
What the heck is that? Christmas in July.
It's our biggest sale of the year with some of our lowest prices on sewing machines, sergers, embroidery machines, longarm quilting, sewing furniture, and so much more. Everything's on sale.
That's a lot of things. What kind of a savings?
You can save up to 70% off during the sale.
Sounds like the perfect time to get a sewing machine. I need to upgrade mine.
Yeah, perfect. Bring in your current machine and we'll help you apply the trade-in for the upgrade.
Now, how will I know which machine is right for me?
Well, that's what we're here for. Our team will help you compare options and find the perfect machine for your sewing needs.
I've heard that there's giveaways. Is that right?
Absolutely. Every purchase made in July earns you an entry into our Christmas in July giveaways.
How many entries per person?
1 entry per day per location.
And what about the people watching this video? Can they enter too?
They sure can. For an extra chance to win, like the video, share the video, and comment below what your favorite sewing machine is.
And where do they find all the details?
So the rules are at montavillasewing.com/giveaways.
And when does the sale end?
August 1st. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. They're the lowest prices of the year.
So let me get this straight. Customers come in, save up to 70% off, trade their own machine, enter the giveaway all month long, and get some of the lowest prices of the year.
Now you're getting it.
Anything else people should know?
Come in for August 1st for our biggest sale of the year, and let us help you find that perfect machine.
And Merry Christmas.
In July. Ho, ho, ho.
And happy sewing.